if Maro's catching it on her video.
We wish you a pleasant journey.
Crossing one of the runways here at Schiphol. We're just holding hands, standby, probably waiting for permission to go to the runway. Chances are we've lost our slot because we are a little bit delayed. Time now is 25 past 11 and this flight was supposed to leave at 11 o'clock. And it's 11 a.m. morning flight, so it's a daytime flight today. And here we go. We're about to take off from, obviously, Amsterdam Airport. Not my best view ever from the seat, but a very comfortable seat today. Quite bouncy runway. Trying to keep the camera still here. Smooth now. Next stop Taipei in Taiwan. The engine there, how huge it is. And rotate. So look at the engine and the ground. Lovely view. Long now until we're straight up into the clouds again. And banking left. Got all those old houses down there. Oh, sit back and enjoy the view, Maro. You've got a window seat for once. Beautiful view. Lovely looking at that engine there. It's really looking like a old neighborhood down there. Hoping Maro's catching a few photos of it also. We're banking sharply to the left over Amsterdam.